Hi, I'm Barbara Boyer, the Executive Director from the American Council of the Blind and Visually Impaired of Colorado. And we're here in our silent auctioneer area for the 7th annual Dinner in the Dark. It's a great event. We who have sight wear blindfolds and get to experience what it's like to be blind or visually impaired, and we raise money for our Sight for Seniors program. And we're really excited because tonight Reggie Rivers is our host MC and auctioneer.
Yes, and so I'm excited to be here to be part of this. We're going to raise a lot of money tonight. We're going to have a lot of fun. I think it'll be interesting to do an event where most of the people are wearing blindfolds. We're going to do an auction. Wait a second. You didn't tell me they're going to be wearing blindfolds.
We'll let them take them off.
Oh, they can take them off for the auction. Okay. Well, they're going to take them off for the auction, but this is going to be a great time. We've got some great auction items. We've got some football, memorabilia stuff. We've got some jewelry. We've got dinner with me at the Denver Chop House. We're going to have a great time. We're going to raise a lot of money.
And an African safari.
An African safari.
Yes, yes. So it'll be a great night.
Hakuna Matata.